Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to log in Stockbee. Stockbee is a fantastic platform for both new and experienced investors. It offers a wealth of resources including market analysis, stock pick, and educational content to help you make informed investment decisions. Whether you are looking to grow your portfolio or just starting out in the stock market, Stockbee provides the tools and insight you need to succeed. Alright, now let's get started with the login process. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and go to the Stockbee homepage. You can do this by typing stockbee.com into your web browser address bar and hitting enter. This will take you the login page where you will need to enter your credential. Here you should see field on your username and password. Enter your username in the first field. This is typically the email address you used when you register your account. Next, enter your password in the second field. Make sure to double click for those type because passwords are case sensitive. If you have forgotten your password, don't worry. Just click on the forgot password link below the login field. Follow the instruction to reset your password. Once you have entered your username and password, click on the login button. If your details are correct, you will be logged into your Stockbee account and redirected to your dashboard. Here, you can view your stock profile, check your transaction history and much more. And that's it. You are logged into your Stockbee account. And that's how you will log in into your Stockbee account. If you have any issue login, make sure to double check your credential, clear your browser cache, or trying using a different browser. If you have still problem, contact Stockbee customer support for further assistance. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial and stock market tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.